Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can see the screen.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So yeah. So actually here I have this set integer and also set new hash set. So this hash set is actually implementation of the set, and this set one whatever I have, I first initially I added one and two, and if I print it, I will if I two and three, if I print it, I will get like two and three. So second time I am just taking one more set, that is actually having the I am adding here with the dot add method one and two. So set two. This is set two. This is a set one. Okay. So for these two sets, I am initially having one, two, and three, and second time I am having one and two. Now, so if I want to if I want to make them into one single set, then what will happen? Whatever the duplicates are there inside the set, that will be eliminated. So here I am mentioning set to do dot add all. Add all is a method. So which will merge different sets into one single set. Whatever the left hand side set, that is the target, and here the whatever right hand side, the so this will be the target where it is going to merge. Okay, these and all actually source. So set two dot add all set one. Here I have two and three, here I have one and two. Since I have two times the two value of two, that's why it will only give me like one two three. If I merge both of them and I display, I will get like one two and three. Okay. So that is how actually it is. It will happen. It will working. Set will always eliminate the duplicates. So your voice is breaking. You can your voice is
Like,
no, I can't hear you. Are you maybe are you on Wi-Fi or hello? You can type your message instead. Can you hear me now?
second,
Yeah, rejoin otherwise.
yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this set is also a collection. So it is having a hash set as an child. So this hash set is an implementation from the set only. Okay, so just like a map and hash map. So always it will store the data in the format of hashed format on the storage. That's why their name itself actually hash set actually. Okay. So and here I have like a set integer and a variable that is like an object new hash set, and that is actually we are calling this particular instance. hash set. Okay. So where all of this will be located? They will be located inside java.util. From the java.util only, we are going to get this set and hash set information. And also I have like set1.add, set1.add, set1.add. I am going to have here 2 and 3. So I am going to insert here first time 2 and second time 3. System.out.println. I am going to display the value here. So where I will get the value 2, 3 for the set 1. Set and another time I have taken one more set. It is actually set to 2. So same which is implementing with the hash set, and also just set to 2 dot add 1, set 2 dot add 2. So the first in the first set I have 2, 3. In second set I have 1, 2. What is the common between them? 2 is common between them. 2 is a duplicator. So what I am going to do is I am going to make it as set2 dot add all. Add all. What will happen? I am going to add the whatever the sources, that is set1 towards the set2. I am going to merge union both of these two sets. Then what will happen? Since the set is having a behavior of removing the duplicates, then it will remove the value 2 and it will give us 1, 2, 3. One value will be removed. That's why we will get here 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if you are giving some set 2 dot add, for example, one more also you take the problem. So if you are giving here some 3 and now 1, 2 and 3 both are duplicates, but
Yes.
we are providing towards the set. So the output should be actually 1, 2, 3, 3 only. It is not 2 times 3. It should not show to us because set will eliminate the duplicate values. Okay. Eliminate means it won't remove. It will, if it is like 1 or 2 duplicate values are there, it will make it as only 1. Likewise.
Yes, sir. I got it.
So, next is like again hash map. So this Java hash map class also implemented from the map as we discussed earlier. So it is used to insert, delete and updation purposes. So we can store the data in the format of key and value base. Since the key, the name itself mentions, we can't able to insert the duplicate key values. The duplicate key values are not allowed actually. Okay. So here we are hash map maintains no order. It is not an synchronized. So it is not a synchronized. Parallelly, you can able to access the data randomly. You can able to access the data. Suppose if you want to access any stack or something, what you will do? So you will go one after the other, and you will fetch the particular one. So but in this case, if you know the index, you can go and get the. If you know the key, you can go and get the data. Okay. So here I'm having here hash map integer comma string. I am going to mention the key as integer, string as a value. Okay, I am creating. I am assuming like the integer value key should be with the integer, value should be with the string map equal to again new hash map integer comma string. I am giving in the less than and greater than, and I am going to call this parenthesis. So if I go here map dot put 1 comma mango, 2 comma apple, 3 comma banana, 4 comma grapes, like that. If I am going to access them, means I am going to insert the data to the map, that particular hash map. And one other way to iterate it is like map.entry, map.entry for map.entry m. Okay. So whatever this map.entry set, this entry set individually, it will go on top of the each and every record, and those particular key and values it will capture. So this map is anyhow, that map is actually belong to whatever we declared. Dot entry set means each time each entry. Okay. So here I have like m dot get key, m dot get value. So it will give us the key and the values of the particular map. It will give us the key and values of the particular map. Then what will happen? We will get the each and every key and each and every value, that associated values. Each key and its value, each key and its value. Like that, it will keep on iterating, and it will get us the data. That is this one. 1 mango, 2 apple, 3 banana, 4 grapes. Likewise, we can able to access the data inside a hash map. You got this one? You understood this one?
Yeah, sir. So if we use a get keyword, it will print the first.
Yeah, these are the methods. These are the methods from where? From the entry set. We are representing the entry set. Entry set is actually we individually have the records, all the records of the map. Just like you are having one array, you are having some 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. They you can call them as an index. So just like an index, this entry set is also a method on top of the map. So what it will do, from that we can able to get the key and values of the entries.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any rules that get key should well be integer itself, or we can give anything else as per our requirements, sir?
So we can give here anything. See, there is no specific like the key should be integer. The key can also be the string. If you see the first example I have mentioned. Okay, so okay, here so but we should not duplicate it. We should not
Okay, sir.
we should not duplicate it. We should not suppose mango you give as a key. You can't give mango again here. Okay, it is not like that. That key can be in string also.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. And one more important collection is this enum. So the enum enumeration, we call that as an enumeration. So this will ensure like one to many mapping kind of data. For example, see, I am having here enum keyword, and I am presenting with days, DAYS days, and I am giving the value as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So all of these values are there now. They are actually represented towards days. So the days can have all these values. In general, if you are earlier, if you go and see here, The one key will have a mango, two key will have the value as apple, three key will have banana, four key will have grapes. But here the scenario is different. For one particular variable, we are representing towards multiple values. Okay, so one to many mapping, many values, one key to many values are possible. Assigning is possible with the enumeration. Okay, Java enum set class is specialized in the set implementation for use with enum types. So they call that this we can call this as an as a types actually. Some if I am going for data days dot Tuesday, days dot Wednesday, days dot Friday. So I will get all of them into one particular you know variable, and also this days dot Tuesday I am going to take here only three, for example, and two I am going to iterate on top of them. Iterator, this iterator, this third time we are writing iterator of days, and iter is equal to set dot iterator and set dot iterator. So this is my uh, enum set is actually an interface implementation. It's a set. It is implementation of the set. Okay. So here I am going to have while iter dot has next. That means until end of the and until end of the set. Okay, whatever we declare. Dot iter dot next. Since we have only one statement, I can write like this. So if you have more than two statements or like that, then you have to write like while loop, and there again you want to write braces and all. Okay, if you have more than two statements. If you have only one statement, that while loop scope will be there. If you are not opening the braces after the while, then that particular scope will be up to the next line. Okay, so while iter dot has next, and system dot out dot internet dot iter dot next means Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever the values we are chosen here, those values will be taken forward. Okay, here we can mention something like this also. So, for example, set of days. Okay, so for example, it is weekend. So enum set dot of wave of, and I am going to have here days dot Saturday, comma days dot Sunday. Okay, days dot Saturday, days dot Sunday. So this is my weekdays I am going to mention. So in this case also, if you want to display them, so then I can go and so this is, let this be here. I will take one more. Week and days display. Okay. So now what is my next step? Next step, since the iterator is there, I have to do the iterator on top of what is this? This time week, and I am giving here, and also I am giving like WK and PNDN, and here I am going to mention dot iterator. Okay. This is my weekend iterate, and while I am going to iterate on top of the item er. Now I not at weekend dot has some next, and also I am going to have here system dot out dot print lm and I can give here the value that is week and next now. So yeah.
Yeah, sir.
So now what will happen? So whatever there are no errors, so we will go ahead and run it. We will get the Saturday and Sunday that they are like weekends. So we can mention weekend plus run on top of it. Weekend Saturday and Sunday. Like that, you can able to iterate and use the enum operator, enum collection. So you have any questions?
No, sir.
So there are, this is like an, I have told the set and map and set and also, So like this, there are many number of collections are there. Okay, so you can have a look of them. First, you practice this thing, these important I mean things, and also try to have like hands-on with them, accessing them. So in interviews also, what they will do, they will ask you to iterate on top of your collections. So this technique, whatever is given here, that is like a new technique. So that way of coding that is expected from an interviewer point. It's okay. Yeah. So this two you can practice. One is collection, other one is abstract.